생존 여행 영어 시작합니다. 관광지에서 촬영 허가를 문의하고 사진을 찍어달라고 요청할 때
Hi, am I allowed to take a photo in this area?
Yes, photos are allowed, but no flash, please.
Great, I just want a quick selfie. It's for the memory.
That's fine. Just try not to block the walkway.
One more thing. Would you mind taking one for me?
Of course. Want to stand here in front of the statue?
Yes, that's perfect. Just make sure the background is in focus.
Got it. Say cheese.
Thanks. By the way, are photos always allowed here?
No, there's a notice near the artwork that says it's prohibited in some sections.